What's up, guys? So, you've probably seen online the Evil Energy mystery box sale. You can get like one for 40 bucks or 50 bucks, one for 100 bucks, one for 150, one for 200 or whatever. Well, I just got my delivery. This is the $100 mystery box. Let's find out what's in it. Oh, a fuel pump. Fuel system part number 044. Flow is that way, of course. That's going to be helpful for me. Fuel pump mount. Looks like I got some fittings for it. Got some AN fittings for it. And I'm guessing this is a fuel filter. Yep, fuel filter. Oh, return in. Ooh, interesting. This looks like it's all for an LS kit. That's awesome. So, 100 bucks for all this. Was it worth it? Oh, and I got a sticker. So you tell me, was it all worth it or was it not worth it? I don't know yet. I'm going to probably put that fuel pump on the S10 because I want to go nitrous with it, and I need a new fuel pump and I need a new fuel tank. I have plenty of AN line and AN fittings for when I bought the nitrous stuff, but I'm going to have to supply the nitrous kit with fuel too, so I don't think that little pump that's in the tank that I've been running off of is going to work for it. So am I happy with this kit? Absolutely. Looks like all I got to get now is a fuel tank. So here's a clip of what I actually paid for the mystery box. And the next clip is what the mystery box that I got was actually valued at on their website. So there you have it. If you were curious if the $99 mystery box from Evil Energy was worth it, I think it was for me. Go ahead and make your purchase.